Today, I'm going to teach you how to go to your Google Classroom. You have to go to your Google Chrome first. Click this icon and go to your Gmail. So as you can see here, we have the Google Apps. Click that one and look for the Gmail. So we can see here some class invitation from the Google Classroom. Like here, class invitation from the Happy in the Library, invitation from the Arts 2, Mathematics 2, and the Mathematics 3 question mark. So what you have to do is to click that one. Let's try this one. Click join. When you click join, you're already in the Google Classroom for Teacher Mathematics 3. Another is that you have to go to your Google Classroom. Go to your Google Chrome and search Google Classroom. Google Classroom. As you can see here, we have here the Google Classroom. Click that one. So you're already here in your Google Classroom. So we have here some invitations. You'll be happy in the library, Arts 2, and the Mathematics 2. Okay, let's try to click the join first. So you already joined in the Arts 2, Mathematics 2, and the Happy in the library. So here in your Google Classroom, you can see the stream, the classwork, and the people. Okay, let's go first in your streams. You can also see some activity posted by your classmates. So if the teacher asks you to post your work here in the Google Classroom, you just need to upload here. You can also see some off-screen tasks here in your Google Classroom and some lessons you discusses during your classes. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, you can have here the counting and grouping objects, events, hundreds and thousands. If you want to somehow review during your vacant time, you can go to your Google Classroom and have some review. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's try some of the off-screen tasks. Okay, let's try this one. So answer the following questions and comment done when you're done or you're finished. So as you can see here, we have the Google Forms here. Okay, you need to click this one for you able to answer the following questions. So you need to put your name also here, and you can now start answering the questions. So these are sample of the Google Forms. So when you're done answering, in the bottom part you can see there is a submit button. So you need to click that one so that the teacher can see your answer. Okay, let's go back. Here in classwork, you can see some lessons the teacher posted. So all of these are the things you have tackled during your online class. So we have also here the off-screen task. Here in the people, you can see the teacher's name and also your classmates' names here. Okay, let's try to go to your Arts 2. Okay, so same with the Mathematics 2, you can have the streams, classwork, and the people. So here in the streams, you can see here some activity posted by your classmates. Okay, let's try this once. So for your off-screen tasks. Okay, you can see here my mind is full of good thoughts. So you're going to upload or turn in your artwork here in this off-screen task. So you can see here your work in a plus button. Here you're going to add or create. So if you're going to add or create something from Google Drive, a link or a file. You can also create some documents here, some slides, some sheets or drawings. If you're going to draw or something, just click this one. But for this time, you're going to upload a file. So you can see here we have recent, upload, my drive, and start. So we're going to upload a file, this one. So we have here browse. Okay, so let's just say this is the file that we need to upload. Okay, click this one, then open. So as you can see, it's loading. So when it's done loading, always remember class that you need to click turn in, okay, so that the teachers will check and see the progress of your work. Okay, so that is how to go to your Google Classroom. I hope you learned something and have a good day.